Good morning, everyone!
This is last report of the report. And we are here today to introduce to you the popular dances.
So first is the popular dances performed in public or private in particular period of time which aim to give the participants a source of enjoyment. Popular dance is also called a social dance where dancer may be arranged in different formation like in circles or even in lines which develop later on into chain dances. So these dances have a simple repetitive moves that makes them easy to follow and imitate. They can be performed in various settings like in concert, social gatherings, clubs, and parties.
Novelty in fad dance are dances which are typically characterized by a short burst of popularity. Some of them may get longer lasting life. They are also called dance fads or dance craze. So when we say novelty and fad dance, it is a dance that became popular in a short period of time.
So now let's proceed to the 10 dance craze of the dance. First is in 2010, the doggy. In 2010, a group named Kaliswag District made a song called Teach Me How to Doggy, and their video went viral. The dance move was named after the famous rapper Doggy Fresh, who used to do the dance in his performances. So let's go guys, let's dance to Teach Me How to Doggy. And the first step, it goes like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's do it together with music.
They be like, Smooth, what? Can you teach me how to Dougie? You know why? Cause all the girls love me. Hey, all I need is a beat that's super bumpin', and for you to back it up and do it.
So the second one is Fat Daddy. In 2011, Cali-based rock group Their Jacks made the Fat Daddy a viral dance trend. Back in the drinking days, the Fat Daddy became extremely popular. In 2011, California-based rock. So it goes like this. So this is the second dance craze. The first one is we have to go like this. Now let's do it with music. And now we have the third one, the dance craze, which is the Gangnam Style in year 2012. Once the most watched dance video on YouTube. Gangnam Style was released by K-pop singer by Psy in 2012. The dance, this is how it goes. This is the third steps, the Gangnam Style. You just have to slide your feet like this and raise your right hand and do this one. Now with music, let's do it together.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op, 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 op.
So let's proceed to another one. So we have here the fourth dance step. So we have here 2013 Harlem Shakes. So the original Harlem Shakes was made in 1981 by dancer EIB. But it came back in 2013 when YouTube Disaster Music uploaded his own version. So now let's proceed to our fourth dance craze. So this is called Harlem Shake. So this is how we do it. So put your hands down and then we should move our shoulder and then right. Tap, 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 then left, tap, tap, tap. So we should do it together. Okay? Yes. Then, okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Now let's proceed at the sixth dance craze, Whippy-Nay-Nay. The Whippy-Nay-Nay was created by Atlanta rappers Silento. This dance was popular with the people of all ages and can be compared to DJ Link's Walk. It outdanced when it comes to popularity. So the first step of our Whippy-Nay-Nay is, it goes like this.
let's do it with music.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay.
2016, JoJo on the Beat. 10 rappers, Zivation, Mac Cole, and Zay Hellfigure created the JoJo on the Beat dance that became the internet sensation of 2016. This dance was most popular with children and young teens, and many challenges were posted online. And it goes like this. Let's dance together.
Walked in this party and these girls looking at me. Skinny jeans on, and you know my head nappy. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, okay. I want y'all to do this dance now. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Juju on that juju.
Next one is floss. The floss dance began famous when 16 years old Rachel Gomez, also known as the Backpack Kid, started posting videos of himself doing this strange dance. Once it became a viral moment, gaining a massive following and even performance. His dance on Saturday Night Live to Katy Perry's song Swish. The next one is floss. The first step is use your hand like this, and next this, and this like that. Okay, let's do it together.
Okay, so let's move on to the 9 dance crazes of the decade. It is In My Feelings Kiki Challenge. Do the Shigi or Kiki Challenge became popular when Instagram influencer Shigi created a dance to Drake's single In My Feelings. Thousands of social media users and celebrities decided to join in on Kiki Challenge and post videos of themselves dancing online. Okay, so let's move on to the Kiki Challenge. But unfortunately, we don't have a car because in Kiki Challenge, we need a car just like this one. Okay, and that is all for our Kiki Challenge. Thank you so much.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from.
Now we have the last dance craze. In the year 2019, entitled The Wall. Made in Texas, the Wall dance has made rounds on social media as the most recent viral dance craze. Rappers Chance, the rapper Lil Uzi, Vert, Drake, and Travis Scott have all been seized participating in these dance threads, and it goes like this.
Her so fine, but her breath is like woo. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to woo. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star. Woo.
Since we are done now all about the 10 dance crazes of the decade, let's move on to TikTok. So what is TikTok? TikTok is in this phone. Can you see it here? Yeah, that's TikTok. It is an app. TikTok is massively popular app that lets users create and share videos up to 60 seconds. Long lip synced music videos are especially popular on it. The app has given rise to a number of young social media influencers. So it means that through TikTok, many influencers have become popular. Okay, so TikTok is a social app that allows users to make short videos. Users can add filters, text, sounds, and music. And it is especially popular to make creative, lip-sync music videos. Users scroll through a newsfeed, react to content, and navigate with hashtags. Yeah? Oh. The most popular TikTok in 2019 is the Renegade, which has 229k likes, sana all, and 18k share in March of the said year. And that is all about for our report. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.